go to.
Menak is so techy now, so I think this platform is afraid of it.
Yeah, the browser.
You go for a browser option, I think it will be better.
Go to
Yeah,
Chrome,
yeah.
bro. Browser did not work. It will
All
ask for
right,
you
all
to
right.
download the app. Go to Chrome. It's easy.
All right. I'm exiting from the PC and
Yeah,
I've joined from mobile.
mobile,
Yeah.
now. Okay, 1 minute. I'm giving
Yeah.
you that. 1 minute. Please wait for that. I'm adding you that mobile thing.
Hmm.
Yeah. Yes, now you can log in from mobile. Yes.
At least. Yeah.
Finally, we got you here. And what happened now? Audio is not visible.
Yeah, what's up, Niche Marketers Facebook
Yeah.
group? I hope the audio is live right now.
Yep.
And
Yeah.
how's everything going?
Yeah, fine, Menak. Good to have you. I have been seeing you since quite some time. I think last 1 year you have been very active on social media. I think I could get it. I could know about. I was knowing about you from last 1 year. I was seeing your posts somewhere in the groups and all. You're interacting, so that way I know you, like optimistic, go-getter kind of a guy who tries to be always
Yeah.
thinking about possibilities. That's what I could make a framework or means an image of you, because we did not talk anytime. Just we talked today only. I think after a long
True,
time.
true.
So, Menak, what do you think about the magazine? What do you think, and what should we do? What are your suggestions? Anything specific?
Unless I look at the first copy of the
Copy.
magazine, I
Copy.
cannot give any suggestions. So I'm really excited to look at how it turns out and how it has actually. I don't know what have you planned, but I am sure that you planned something nice and you asked us to contribute, and I can't wait to see how it turns out. And regarding suggestions, I'm sure there's so many suggestions that can come in
Hmm.
place once we see the possibilities of when are we gonna, release the magazine. Is it bi-weekly, weekly, or something? And then we can. There are many ways to, increase the value of the magazine by, using social media marketing and
Hmm.
all that stuff. And regarding improving the magazine itself, you can. I just have to see it first. Otherwise, I can't suggest improvements.
Yeah, yeah,
But truly
yeah.
excited for this one.
Yeah, yes, Menak. That's very interesting about. And you shared about the software. Would you like to tell something about it?
Yeah, so most of you know that I already work at a company called PitchGround, and we deal with softwares. And regarding softwares, um, you see the latest softwares like Ahrefs, Moz, etc. These are softwares that we use for SEO. You see softwares like Buffer, Canva, etc. These are softwares used for social media and other designing stuff, right?
Hmm. Hmm.
So we basically deal in similar kind of softwares, but on a lifetime deal, which is at 95% off. How do we do that? It's because, let's say you are an entrepreneur and you launch your own software, and you really don't have marketing budget, or to how to do marketing. You're just a good product developer, but you don't know how to do marketing. That's where we come in picture. When you reach out to us, we will
Hmm.
see whether your product fits our market, and then we do the marketing for you. We don't charge you anything. And what happens is, like, we chart out a plan, work closely with the founder, and chart out the webinars, the Facebook ads, and the resources, everything. And when we go all in promoting the product, and of course, before promoting the product, we would like to test it out rigorously, so that if it's like the pitch ground fit or not. And that's basically it. And SaaS products at their initial stages can actually afford to, give a lifetime deal, because at a lifetime deal, the person who's buying the lifetime deal is trusting the SaaS founder. Like,
Hmm.
okay, I'm buying this at a really early stages, so it might have some bugs here and there. So I'm going to be lenient towards it. You cannot have a finished product on a lifetime deal, you know. I mean, you can certainly have it, but usually it's the starting products that come on a lifetime deal to acquire initial users really fast. And that's basically what PitchGround does. And we have been an interesting journey. We have hit $1 million in sales and revenue, and it's been an interesting journey altogether, you know, with PitchGround and all that.
There is one question always comes to my mind. It's not about PitchGround, but I also have purchased many softwares on lifetime deals because I experiment a lot. I used to purchase from JVZoo and yeah, mostly from JVZoo only. I think I started purchasing one, and they they do aggressive email marketing thing, and generally it looks very tempting for a marketer who wants to experiment. And I used to purchase LTDs. Luckily, some of them actually come well. Like they really provide the support and they stand up to though the years are passing by, they don't discontinue the product or the features. So one such experience I had was with AutoNars. There is a software called AutoNars where we can do the webinar, replay the webinars, replaying webinars, and that used to work with YouTube somehow. And what happened is YouTube somehow stopped the support, or there was some technicality which happened. Due to that has gone away. But I still use the videos that I got as a lifetime deal, and I use that video call is one thing where a small chat bot will come in the right side of the screen and talk about something, and she will take you to a call to action and say you can click on this, you can go there and all. Then one more is Video Maker FX, where you can create product launch kind of videos or some promo videos kind of stuff with some templates are there. So that way I tried LTDs. What do you think about LTDs? Not about PitchGround in general. What do you think? What should be the how should people take care about while choosing a LTD? What should be the their way of thinking?
First thing, generally, what people observe is the roadmap, and I think that's a very important thing to observe first, the roadmap of the product, and see how passionate the founder is in developing the product, you know. And then secondly, some LTDs don't really support updates. They're like, LTD user, you will get only this much. You're not eligible for updates. So the user certainly has to observe that whether he's eligible for updates or not. And then what else? Yeah, some deals are too good to be true. Way too good to be true. And it's like you kind of, I mean,
get skeptical.
I don't want to name the product. It's a recent competitor with us, but yeah, it was too good to be true. People are realizing it now, and they're like comparing with us. They did compare with us and like, okay, your cost is so high and etc. But now they're realizing and they're like, okay, we made a mistake by buying an LTD in a different thing. So some deals are way too good to be true, and I think that's a deal where you should really question and talk to the founders, etc. Other than that, some deals shouldn't be purchased on LTD, like email marketing softwares. I say that because, you know, email marketing certainly takes a heavy server load, and you can't really trust a LTD on email marketing. You know, initially it might be good, but they downgrade your servers. They don't use that Amazon ACS for delivery.
You have experience, and then you can't go here and there. That's what.
True. So it's like they have the power to downgrade your server, you know.
Yeah.
And that's a major problem for deliverability issues and all that. So I would say avoid email marketing or tools on, you know, LTDs.
Yeah.
And other than that, you should basically see how they're marketing the product and how they're active and which platform they're on and all that stuff, you know. Yeah. And if the platform itself is offering refunds and etc.
Yeah, obviously. The trust and that thing is very important, because people are actually trusting you and trusting someone like a face. Like for PitchGround, Uditji is someone who people know and he's interacting with people. So somehow people know him and they can say, yeah, Udit is launching something. I think he might stand by it. it. There's a face to the company. That's one good thing I see. And when it comes to AppSumo and all, I tried a few things, and there's some LTDs also I've seen there where it asks about some. There is a typical thing they write. They write some numbers where it gets complicated for me. I don't know like how many should I purchase and what will happen after that. There will be some numbers. Did you come
Yeah,
across
number of users and number of pages and all that stuff. It's pretty
number of
common in
users?
the LTD industry,
Number of
and
users.
people really get confused with those numbers. And in case if people are really confused with those numbers, I would say join the groups of certain products. Like let's say PitchGround has its own group. I'm sure I don't know about AppSumo, but you can join the product group or the platform group and just ask questions there, or just mail the platform. Platforms are more than happy to answer these kind of questions because they are directly promoting a sale, right? Because
Yeah.
unless you're truly interested in a product, you won't ask that question. So platforms will be more than happy to answer that question. And some tools, when they launch, they actually have a Calendly link to book a demo with the founder himself.
Yeah.
I've seen such tools as well.
Cool.
So I think you should make use of and communicate it so that they can change their messaging, because while launching a tool, there are a lot of factors to be considered. A lot of copywriting goes into place, a lot of videos come into place, a lot of graphics, a lot of social media, a lot of ads and everything. So sometimes the messaging gets lost in between. So I think if you're like really serious about the product, you should definitely um, mail the platform or the product guys, and they are more than happy to revert back within like 24 hours to 48 hours. Otherwise, the affiliates are also great, doing a good job. I know some of the affiliates, they have their own groups and they are totally helping people. Like I was buying a deal from some platform and I wasn't sure, so I messaged the affiliate in his own group, and he solved my problem by giving all the answers, and I bought the deal. He got his commission, the platform got their sale. It was all good, you know.
That's a good input from you, Menak. Going to the group, because there a lot of discussions happen, and your question will be answered without you even asking a question there. Actually, that's the advantage I see that by going to that places, and you also get clarity into some other topic which you did not even guess. Yeah, this also might happen. So I think that's a
True.
really good input to be in. So yeah, let's come to Venkatesh. For that,
Venkatesh,
Gary.
the Instagram marketer. Come on.
So Venkatesh, we'd like to hear about that Gary V team. How did you work with the team and all? Then we'll go with the magazine launch thing.
Sure.
Yeah.
So it was in 2019. It was like October or something, I guess. There was a time where Gary was talking a lot about micro influencers, where they are getting underpaid, but they have so much value to do. To like what to say, their content is good. Their followers are like somewhere around 30K to 50K, but they are not getting great exposure of what they are doing, and they don't know what their value is. That's what that's what was going on. So at that point of time, I had few business niche pages, which was where I was posting similar kind of content of what Gary was posting about the entrepreneurship business, about the dropout thing. Like at that point of time, the dropout thing and all was like something on fire. Like if you drop out, you start a business and you things going on and things. So yeah, that was like literally crazy.
I'm a dropout, by the way.
Me too.
Nice. Wow.
So yeah, at that point of time, I was posting content continuously. We were getting like paid for shoutouts. Like we were getting paid for shoutouts. That was going really good.
Yeah.
And the organic reach was pretty. It started dying at that point of time. It was like going down. Where carousels were not even at point of time at that time. Carousels were not even like seen. So
Yeah.
after a few days, it was like Team Gary V. They just contacted me for the page, and the message literally said like this: "Do you want to give a shout out for Gary V?" So for the shout out means like we post their content on our walls and like their story and the theme and all. Like they'll give the content. with the captions and hashtags, we'll post it. And it was like, yeah, why not? Who doesn't want to give a shout out for Gary Vee? I just said, yeah, true. Let's definitely do it. And from that day till 10 days, we started working with them. It was the deal was not for thousands of dollars, but I got a chance to talk with their team. Like there were a few people. I don't want to take the name, but they literally helped a lot. Like I was about to get in contact with Gary Vee, but that just missed like that of
Okay.
ninth day or something. But they promised me like if something may happen in 2022 or 23 if things go well.
Yeah. I hope you will get that. You'll go there.
So for these things, one thing people should remember about Instagram is you should be available and you should be seen. Like we should be online at some point of time, like between let's say 2 a.m. to 4 a.m. For international people to reach out to you, or you want to reach out to international people, means that's the best time you can reach out.
Okay.
If you're online, that's great. Yeah.
That's a
Whether it may be Facebook or Instagram, this will definitely work. If you want to get deals, if you want to work with someone, these kind of things, collaborations.
Okay.
I had this client from LA, we used to have these video chats at like 5 a.m. or something.
True. I can relate to that a lot.
Yeah.
People are way more free, at early morning times. Someone wants to call you at 5:30, 6 a.m. Like they are free at that point of time. We'll be like exhausted. Sometimes we'll be, but we cannot say, and we need to take the call sometimes.
The time zones game is like initially it used to be software guys. Now it's like digital marketing guys. That's what is. It looks like because they also used to.
True.
I'm seeing this happening in a very bigger volume, I think, because now big companies are coming up. They're also working in shifts and all. Now those positions are getting opened up, and also I think lot of things are going to change now.
True. Let's hope for the best, but I don't think we can do much regarding that. Anyways, like we need to stay awake all night if we are working with international people. If it's the time for whether we reach out to them or they reach out to us, you need to be available.
Yeah, that's I think, when you want to, when you were aiming at dollars, then I think that's not the way. If you're happy with rupees, then it's okay. If you're happy with rupees like me, then you can have that good night's sleep and all. So that's great, Venkatesh, hearing your story. Yeah, I agree with you. Like possibilities are there, and we need to be open to that possibilities. We should not think about why Gary will talk to me or see me and all. So I used to run a website. I'm still running it. Website on diabetes. So it's my personal journey, and I reversed my diabetes, and I'm helping many people to reverse diabetes. So that website was seen by someone, and they approached me, and they want to add my story to their magazine. That's a diabetes cure, some Indian magazine. So I thought suddenly, okay, they approached me, so I readily agreed for that. So everyone likes to be there. Of course, I'm not very fancy about those stuff because I always believe that I believe that I am the celebrity of my life. Though I did not achieve whatever I achieved, that's okay for me. So I never underestimate myself. Whatever is there, for me, success is different. For you, success is different. For me, success is different. So
True.
I don't try to measure my success with other one's scale. So that's how I think. So those things happened, and then I think that diabetes work itself gave me the job, because when I shifted my job and all, it was like that blog. I just showcased my blog, the Facebook likes group, Facebook group, the Instagram, InstaMojo revenue things. So I told I know the game, zero to end. I know that because I know how to start, how to end. Because I am the only one man guy. No one else is working for me. I was doing everything. I can connect the dots very well with digital marketing, and I'm also a people person, so I can go there. So I think that way, I think we should always be open up for opportunities and all. So like Karan actually rocked in Neil Patel some time ago, and initially I was really good, but somehow if he had shied away, that would not have happened. So
True.
Try to approach. No, let's fail. So I always believe that okay, let's fail, but still let's try. So coming back to the magazine, that's my approach. So I
Yeah.
want to talk
Let's
something.
launch.
Yeah, and in the magazine, I always believe that this magazine is about. I want to bring in more and more people. So I don't want to be the center part of the magazine. I want others to be the center part of the magazine. So that way we always accommodate new people, new stories. See, today we came to listen from Minak something different, like on LTDs how they work. It's not like a business thing, but he told something interesting, some basic stuff
Yeah.
which is
Many
interesting.
people are losing money on that way. We'll see something interesting, a deal, and most newbie marketers think that there's something gold in it, and they'll just buy it just
And
because the
yeah,
deal is good, and
I
they
will
waste
tell
their
you,
money.
my experience is please guys don't buy tool because it promises something because you need to do the work. Tool definitely helps it. So you need to understand pick that smartly. Or else I have many tools lying with me now. Right now I don't use it. I have a tool called Animatron which I purchased for a lifetime deal, and it is about creating animated videos, and that now moved to a subscription model. Till I have that means lifetime deal only I have and I can use it, but I'm not using it much. So getting something on deal, I'm not against pitch ground or something else, but I'm telling in a generic way because getting you feel very excited that yeah the deal is there, yeah I should buy it off, and you start buying it off and you keep the stuff. And sometimes I was even tempted to buy things on subscription models. Subscription models are more dangerous. You're trying to purchase something and you know credit card will be charged after 1 year. You come to know, अरे ये तो मैं खरीदा था इसको.
Meaning,
Oh,
how
yeah.
did that happen? When you were drunk and you bought a courses, right?
No,
How did
I
Come
never
on,
do,
man.
I never do that because I'm a kind of person. I'm a very big dreamer, and I'm less of an entrepreneur, and I'm a very big dreamer, and I care less about money, so I'm not very careful about things. But I need to be careful. That's what I learned from last 5 6 years. Because I always see business as not a business. I used to see it like a something like a passion. I relate more to a term called passionpreneur, not entrepreneur. I always keep passion up above the financial thing. So I always think if I go into full time business, I have to have some person who is very tight on the wallet, who takes care of
Mm,
that. Because yeah, sometimes we think yeah we are doing everything right, but end of the day you calculate the balance sheet, no, then you'll come to know really what are you getting. And people like you who are running agency might know that that's the reason you're able to survive on that, or else you will not be able to do that. So yes, guys, it's time for the launch. So what I'll do is I'll call. I'm sharing the link just now, and we'll share the screen so we can see all together once, all for once. So I'm sharing the link. First, let us open, and then we'll give it to others. And yeah,
Sure, do it.
right now, are you able to see the screen?
Oh,
it's
yeah.
loading.
It's Google.
Yep. Yeah.
Yeah,
Perfect.
Google is on.
Yes.
And
Hmm.
it's loaded with our software is taking up a lot of, and here we are. My WordPress is still on. I need to log out at least for a good user experience. Yes. So we are ready to go.
Nice.
Cool, man.
In a short notice, I could make this promo video, and guys can actually come here and enter here and
Mm.
just write something. Let us say I will type my own address. Let me see if it allow me or not. It should allow me, and I'll check my email, and if it's reaching my promo tab or it's going to the primary tab.
Yeah, now you got it.
Not yet, I guess. I think they're webinar subscription notifications. People who signed up for the webinar.
Okay.
Let me check, or else we'll open it in a separate window there. I think it's not yet there.
Yeah, it's okay. I received it. I'm just checking it.
Yeah, you entered it.
Yeah, I entered my email. I received it.
Can you share the screen?
I'm on my PC right now.
Okay.
I'm watching it from PC and I'm live from mobile. So
Yeah, no problem. I will
Yeah, you open it here.
yeah.
I'll open it. Not an issue. I have that copy in the drive also. So
Okay. Nice.
it's loading a lot.
So you approached Pratik for it?
No. It was like some of them were collected by. I just wrote some articles, and the three people whom I called into this event, you people were the contributors. Like you
Okay.
contributed to your article. Others, I just as like editor, I just collected and I put there actually.
Okay, Shamnas is here. Affiliate marketing without a blog. Nice. Agency stories. Nice. Our very own Venkatesh is here.
Okay.
It's taking a
Show
lot
me.
of time.
I'm not able to see it.
And upcoming workshop. Nice.
I will do it on my mobile. Let me forward this here and I'll just open it here. It'll be easy.
I mean, this is a nice, honest effort, and the value is, of course, I can see the value in here.
Yeah, the first copy I
The
can.
value is insane. The value is there, of course.
So Minank is the first
I
person
don't
to
see a
talk.
reason why no one would not love to read this, you know. And the first edition, I see where you went with the design. And I can certainly see you improving design in the upcoming editions, you know.
Yeah, definitely, Minak. It will be like a continuous process. We need to do it as a
Absolutely.
continuous.
So it landed in my promotions tab. So yeah, you might want to check it out.
Yes. It's generally what happening. It sometimes it's getting delayed. I'm just forwarding it to my email address, and I'll display it right.
Okay.
I'll be able to do it right now.
Okay.
Within a minute.
Let me have a look.
Yep, 12 pages, neat, simple, to the point.
Yeah. Yes, Minak. It will be improving in the length also, but I wanted to keep things short and simple. So, because on a PDF you can't read that way. Like you can't read, uh, you can't skip pages, and you can't read that way. It will not be very easy to read. Like unlike on a browser or a website, it will be different ball game. So
Yeah.
it's taking forever here. I did not expect this. Okay.
I read it, so I opened it first.
Yeah, yeah, I got it now. Yeah.
Minak is the first person to launch them, to have a look at it.
Yeah, now I think we are ready to do that. Yes.
VWorks, affiliate marketing, create content on social media, build a bridge page, grow your list. Nice. Nice tips, Shamnas.
Yeah. So the cover page, I think the cover page will have people's pictures. That's what I will be doing. But maybe, like as Menak suggested, we will be improving the design on a regular basis. I generally do it all with Canva only. I don't have any other designing skills. Mostly it's Canva only, and I try to just be creative up to my whatever thoughts come to me. That's what. So I don't use any Photoshop or anything like that, and I'm very careful about the branding and the positioning part. More than the colors and all, I'm very particular about branding and what type of message I want to give to people. So here, like if you are able to see the same way, they're all clickable links, so anyone can go to that page. It will be the same way every time, and there will be a section in the first page. I'll be writing something, so I may change it every time, uh, like depending on the topic. So this is about some perfect timing in email marketing. There's a feature I use a software and all. Then email newsletter inspiration. This is the 4 lines. In these 4 lines, there is one interesting website is there, and you can go there to collect their templates. They
Okay.
showcase templates, and you can collect those templates from there. Means you can just take the code HTML5 HTML code, and you can just paste it in your email marketing software, and it works effortlessly. I tried it, and it's good. And you can get different templates, and not only templates, you can get different ideas like how do they write emails, the copy and all. So this is really a useful website I found. And the contest, and viral contest and giveaway platforms I tried to find, but next time I'll try to give a review kind of thing which works and which doesn't work, because I did not use them very much. But these contests are nowadays becoming very popular because with this you can reach a lot of people. And I
We
just
use Viper, by the way.
Viper, na? Yeah, Viper. I
Yeah.
found it interesting, but did not try actually. So, and when it comes to single page tools, I found this tool very interesting. There's a paid version also, but I'm right now using a free version where you can showcase all your links in one simple page. And these can be
This is
useful
like
to
the
many.
Instagram bio.
Yeah, it looks like Instagram bio, but the interesting thing is you can paste many things here. And if someone you come across in social media, if you ask, can you tell about yourself? I think this one small link, if you're in a hurry, I think this will be the best way to do it.
Oh yeah,
Okay.
Linktree. Okay, Linktree. Nice.
Linktree. Oh,
Yeah. So I put my websites and I put my Nick Marcus group here. So
we
what
all use
once,
that. We all use
uh,
that. Linktree is a
yeah,
great thing.
and this is about the software which Minek told, which Pitchground is going to launch. That their software actually allows people to allows the person who is running it to give a prize or a reward for the person who is watching the video. Can you explain something, Minek? Do you want to do that?
I mean, really interesting tool, I would say, because it's like many companies are using it. So basically, users nowadays have a very less attention span, right?
Yeah.
So he's gonna see some other video and he's gonna skip the video. So
Hmm.
what VWorks does is it gives you a reward for like a voucher, like Starbucks voucher. Let's say Starbucks is doing it. Starbucks is gonna give you a cup of coffee for like watching the video fully. And I
Okay.
think that increases the retention of the user and ultimately is a
Thanks,
really
Sam.
interesting product. VWorks.
Yes.
I'm yet to fully test it out. And based on the initial test, it's like, yeah, super excited for the launch.
So it works. You can embed these videos in YouTube and all, or like it works in a separate platform, like.
It actually you can embed it, I guess. Let me check it. I'm not really sure.
Yeah, okay. Why? Because I'm asking this thing is like generally distractions are more on other websites. Of course, in our website also, if there are on our website also, people are having a lot of distractions, like other Facebook page, other windows. Like right now, we are in so many windows I'm having in right now. Same way, everyone is having the same thing, and they generally tend to go away. So either ways, it's a good software, I guess. That's what I am thinking.
Yep. Before buying any LTD, one has to just take the free trial and test it out.
Yeah.
Otherwise, I'm not sure why would people even buy an LTD without even testing it out.
Okay, that's great. And really, I think this is still not on your website. Huh? I am not able to find it. Is it there?
Oh yeah, it's still not on our website. It'll be up. The page would be updated by weekend because tomorrow we are launching a different product.
So one interesting thing here is to people who are watching this live right now or after the in the recording session. So we got to know about software before PitchGround actually announced it on their website. So that's an interesting thing from this magazine.
Yeah.
And
so there's
this
a
thing
section
actually,
called Book a Discovery Call. As you can see, it's like a Calendly link, which I told you.
okay.
So you book a discovery call, you select the timing, and then you go at their time, and they can actually explain you the product. And isn't that really amazing?
Okay, that's really great, Minak. Yeah, definitely that will be helpful for people who want to explore more and know more about it. So it's the right fit for them or not, they will be able to understand that. Thank you very much. And this about our India's Gary Vee. Initially I found him that why is this guy copying Gary Vee? Then later on I understood, okay, no, at least he is genuine. Whatever it is, he follows Gary Vee, and means it's my personal opinion. It's not like I'm trying to generalize it, but it's my personal opinion. So I felt that yeah, this guy is providing value, and he's not lying. The one thing what came to my mind is he's not lying. That's what came to my mind. And when I went to his website and all, I have seen that he has a Digital Pratik University where he is having some courses and all. So his courses are kind of more relevant to people who are doing it, practicing it. So his courses are a bit practical, and I like them. So and he's also providing it for free of cost. So I thought, yeah, let me add this thing to this magazine. And coming to Shamna's,
I've personally worked with Pratik, and I can vouch for him.
Correct.
Yeah, okay.
I met Pratik and Minank at the same time. If you remember Minank in Bangalore.
Okay.
That's how I actually met Venkatesh. I was with Pratik, and Venkatesh suddenly comes in. I'm like, okay.
Yeah. So
Pratik was the first person to tell me to switch from Instagram to the whole social media marketing thing. That's when I started out at the agency, actually.
Okay, what he told, he suggested you to look at Instagram.
No. I was in Instagram. I told him the organic reach went really down at the same point. Like I was not getting clients. So even the clients' work was not going very well.
Okay.
And I reached out to him. I went to him and asked a few questions regarding now what I should do, how it will work and things. But he was the first person to tell, just don't be on one single platform. You should work on every single platform, be omnipresent, create content, and start getting clients for the whole social media marketing, not just for Instagram. So that's when I started like the agency thing and all. And it went really well. I should thank him a lot.
Yeah. That's really a valuable thing, Venkatesh. I would like to also add to this because we should never, like in digital marketing or any other thing, I always believe that we should never ever depend on one platform or one thing. We should always be having different and we always have to build our email list. That's very, very important, because if you don't have a proper email list is one thing where you have a lot of control. I can't say it's 100% control over there also, but still, when compared to other search engines, social media, or any other platform you see, WhatsApp also can change different things. But email list, and it's not a list. If you're having a list and you're nurturing the people, you're building connections, then I think definitely you need to do that email marketing and correct that thing. That's very important.
True.
So Shamnas has given a very good, interesting thing when we were discussing about the topic. So Shamnas was telling about affiliate marketing. He told, "I'm interested in affiliate marketing." And I told, give this, let us go with this topic. So he was happy to do that, and he gave a crisp but interesting piece over here. So then,
True. Affiliate
offer,
marketing without a blog is a great title.
yeah,
Many
yeah.
people don't know how to do that, and he has given some great tips.
Yeah. See, I'm bit. I can't say that I'm good at. I can good at promoting things. I'm good at promoting things. That's one thing is my strength. Of course, I can't say I'm the best one, but yeah, I'm good at promoting things, and I try to come up with this type of articles where I always think in the perspective of the reader. Because whenever we do something, if you think at the perspective of the customer or a reader or audience, I think the value we can provide will become much more.
Yeah, like consumer psychology. We should
Yeah,
always know what
yeah,
the other person is thinking.
yes. And yeah, one more interesting thing which I came across is Facebook offers free courses on how to bring your business online. So they're offering really good courses because this type of courses you generally don't find outside. How to select the right social channels for your business, how to tell your business story. Like they are there, but people, marketers like us, generally explore all these type of topics. But generally, most of the people, many business people also are not exploring this type of topics. Small businesses, it will be very helpful because Facebook has come up with a shop option. Na? So to support that initiative, these courses are launched. How to set marketing goals, mapping the customer journey. So this is something I thought interesting. I did not explore it right now, but I could see that's a valuable thing. So I have shared this include this in the magazine. And coming to Venkatesh story, that working with
Yeah.
Gary, it was very interesting. And I think Venkatesh, I want to ask you a question. You put your
You even
avatar is.
posted the emoji just like that. The emojis are also there.
So I want to ask you this: your picture. You put this picture because it's easy to recognize on social media for all other people.
Yeah, a lot of people know me from this pic now.
Yeah,
They don't
yeah,
get me with the new pic and all. But let's
yeah.
see.
I think people will not be able to identify you if you come now. Right now you're on video. Now they will
Hmm.
see. Oh, this is the who is
True.
speaking on video. If they did not match the person.
Yeah.
So it's an interesting story from Venkatesh. And there's one thing called lifetime deal sale. This is not a generic thing, but one of the niche marketer is having this software, which is Mintware, and he is upgrade to something else. So he want to sell this off. So I put this as a deal. Anyone wants to grab this, you can grab it for a lifetime deal because right now it's operating on $99 a month. It's this offering Coach GP's online course platform and XFunnels and webinar and meeting platform together. It's bundled. So that way it's offered. Anyone is interested, they can get in touch. So that's one thing. And one more thing is upcoming workshop. We're coming up with a workshop on Canva. So
Nice.
people can come up and you can just click on the WhatsApp group link, interested people, then we'll announce the timing, date, and what are all the details. So this one
The
thing.
WhatsApp link is a
And
good idea.
yeah, because we want to make it easy for them and easy for us both the way.
Mhm.
Then
True.
Rich Marketers thanks all the contributors, Venkatesh, Meenak, and Shamnas for contributing. And anyone who wants to contribute to the magazine for the upcoming editions can send an email. And we can also, it's not that we will not take contributors regularly, we can take regularly also, like uh, Meenak or Venkatesh or anyone who's contributing already can again contribute. If they have something to tell, something interesting, we can do that also. And for new people who want to contribute, they can send an email to my email ID, or else click again the same thing. Click this WhatsApp link, because there's again a group there, a simple group where you
WhatsApp
can.
link is interesting.
Yeah. So, and people who want to download the magazine, they can use the this QR code to download it. If you're
Okay.
sharing it across the PDF to your friends and all, to make it easy for others, and for future they can actually subscribe using this QR code, so they will be subscribed, or else click on the link to subscribe to hashtag. So that's all. We came to end of this launch edition. So final words. Thank you, Menak, Shamnas, and Venkatesh. Any final words from you guys?
Just
Well,
structure
excited
it in
to
a
see.
better way. Yeah, go on, Menak.
Excited to see how this is gonna develop. Because initially this thing starts small, and once you keep on
Really,
going with
really
the
big.
consistency, it just like turns into a huge thing, and you don't even realize after some years. It's like, oh, this is so huge, and I'm excited to see that level of stage for this magazine.
Yeah, thank you very much, Menak. Yeah, that's really motivating, and I believe that it's possible. The way niche marketers, we are actually trying to go in a specific direction where I'm trying to not worry about the quantity but the quality. So the kind of people we have in niche marketers, like one person is equal to. I should not say this, but it's like a self-posting thing. But one person may be equal to other 10 digital marketers. Why? Because I'm saying this because the network they have, the authority they have, and the thought process, and whatever is going to be shared in niche marketers group, it's going to be that way. And I'm trying to handpick people and bring them into the group. And so this magazine will not be a separate effort from the this thing. It will be like a combination of that, like to continue to be a continuation thing. It will be like a supplementary thing to the group. I want the if I have 3 or 4 products, I want all of them to work for each other. I don't want to make them work individually. That's the power of community. Like people are collaborating, and my product should also collaborate with each other. That's what I want to do it.
Great.
So yeah. So thank you very much, Venkatesh. Any final thoughts on Venkatesh?
No, just focus on creating a structured content and the design part. That's all. The magazines will go really big. There's a way like online publication things and all. And I'm really interested in the magazine and stuff. So let's make it big. Thanks for inviting us.
Yeah. Thank you, Venkatesh. I'll add to this a lot and all, but I believe I should start first. And I know there are many things to be done, many things, because there's no proper structure. Just randomly they were put. There's no proper order and all. But I think to start, let us start, and then let's keep going on and on. That's what I'm thinking. So thank you very much. And Shamnas, I think I'll be able to give a voice to Shamnas and the camera also. Finally, I want to just.
Yeah, wait. I log out my camera. You can add him.
I think we're able to give it to him. He's able to come in, I think. Let us see.
Okay.
Shamnas, you're able to talk. Can you try to unlock your mic? Is it allowing you?
Yep.
Cam also is accepting. Okay. Then I was mistaken. It's taking.
Okay.
Hi. Shamnas, I was mistaken and I missed you till this time, or else we would have been 4 people here.
I was watching.
Starting itself.
Anyway, thank you very much, guys, for believing in something and trying to be there for me. And I think we'll be collaborating a lot in future also. Not only you people. If you find anyone interesting and all, you can refer them to this thing and all. If you find anything, if you find any content which is relevant to this magazine, just put that tag hashtag.
Crazy, true. Yeah, we'll do that.
So it will be easy for me to grab it actually. I'll go and search on hashtag and someone is actually trying to do that. Or you tag me also, that's fine. I'll go there and catch it. I'm not sure if someone is using this hashtag or not. hashtag someone is using it or not, I'm not sure. That's one thing we need to check. Okay, then bye bye and thank you very much. And I'll share the recording with you. Maybe I'll upload this recording to YouTube also. Then I'll share that link with you guys. Thank you very much.
Sure.
Yep.
Bye bye.
Bye.